Hi, I'm Mark Gaylor and I'm a Sony Imaging Ambassador. If you own the A7R IV camera and you're looking to get up to speed as quickly as possible, I recommend downloading my free ebook. There'll be a link below the movie, or you can head over to my website and look for the downloads link there. Now in this book I'll show you how to quickly navigate the menus and also how to register groups of settings to the shoot mode dial. This will allow you to change between shooting portraits, action and landscapes really quickly. In the book I'll also show you how to customize the custom keys or custom buttons, and also how to set up the function menus both for shooting stills and movies. Once you've done this, you'll find that you rarely if ever go into the menus again. Now in this book there'll be additional links to extend your learning and also to masterclasses both on my website and also on YouTube. Now if you want to head over to my website www.markgaylor.com, you'll also find additional learning. If you find any of this learning valuable at all, just remember you can make a small donation or you can become a paid member of my YouTube channel, and in this way I can help support you when you've got ongoing questions. For paid members I also give a monthly 1-hour live seminar and also do a photo critique service. Okay, so I'm Mark Gaylor, Sony Imaging Ambassador.